red button. Oh, turn that
All right, Jeremy's first time on the road. He's driving the big 5.7 Hemi engine truck.
Oh yeah.
There's proof right there. We're on our way to Granny's. First time he's ever driven on the road. Got his license today. What do we got? Oh, we got danger. Danger. What is this? Coming up. Truck on the side of the road. Breakdown. Whoa. All right. Whew, that was close.
Did you
It
press
is
the-
recording, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. All right, here we come. Two-way stop. Major highway.
How is it your end?
I can't see. Oh, you're good this way. Oh, hit that juggle. Good this way. You're good that way. There we go. Made it. Our first big intersection. State Route 44 and Lake Rockwell.
What time is it?
It is 3:47.
Pulling in the Grannies.
Two major roads. High-speed highways.
I'm pushing it. 25 to 30. I was doing 40 earlier.
Yeah, here we go. Here we go. There's Granny's house. We are coming to do some mowing. Here we go. Can he make it between the ditches? Yes, he did. Beautiful. Oh, and there's Granny. She's going to be an eyewitness. Oh, I get it. It's right there.
Do you want over there?
No, right in here's good. Here's that grin.
All right.
Put the parking brake on. Just push it down.
Oh.
Push it with your foot.
Okay.
Okay, got him parked. There
Yep.
you go. Yeah.